How to cook Ginisang Sayote. Ingredients: 3 large sayote, 3 medium ripe tomatoes sliced, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 medium onion thinly sliced, 250 grams ground pork, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 cup water, salt to taste. Chop recipe. Instructions: 3 large sayote. Peel and slice the chayote. See notes for steps. 3 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 medium onion. Heat oil over medium heat in a pan or wok. Sauté onion and garlic until soft and aromatic. 3 medium ripe tomatoes. Add tomatoes and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until tender. 250 grams ground pork, 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Add ground pork. Use the spoon to break the lumps apart. Cook until no longer pink. Then add fish sauce and cook for about another minute. 1 cup water, salt to taste. Pour water. Cover and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Season with salt if needed. 3 large chayote. Add sayote slices to the pan and mix to combine. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes or until chayote is half cooked, tender but still a bit crisp. Remove from heat and transfer to a serving plate. Serve with plain rice on its own or together with your favorite fried fish or meat. Notes: tips for preparing chayote. Before peeling the sayote, cut off about ½ inch from the top. Allow the sap resin to come out of the sayote. To hasten it, rub the cut parts together in a circular motion until a white, foam-like substance appears and build up. Rinse well. Rub a small amount of oil in your hands just in case there is some sap left. Peel off the skin using a vegetable peeler or a small knife. Cut the chayote in quarters, lengthwise. Cut off the bottom outer edges and the seed part, then cut each quarter diagonally into thin slices.